Hey everybody, hope you're all doing well in this COVID environment that we are living in now. With the recommendation that the CDC has come out with recently with wearing face masks out in public, we thought it'd be a good idea to show you how we made a couple of ours. So this one in particular is very easy. Just requires a handkerchief and a couple rubber bands. There are a lot of different mask variations out there today that you might be inclined to use. Examples like this, or this, or this, and my personal favorite, this one. While those might not be the most ideal masks to use, we figured we'd show you how to make the easy one with no sewing required. All you need is a bandana and two rubber bands. In order to make your not sewn face mask, we need a couple different things. First off, you're going to start with about a 20 by 20 inch square standard handkerchief, and then you'll need two rubber bands. The rubber bands could be different lengths and in different tensions depending on the size of your cheeks and your ears and all that. So to start, you want to fold the handkerchief in half both ways like this. And then fold it halfway again. Make sure you flatten it out. And then you're going to put your rubber bands in and on the cloth like this. On either side. As a reminder, CDC also made a recommendation that the general public should not be using the N95 masks. They should be using face masks, like a surgical style mask or one like we're showing right now. Want to make sure that you save those N95 masks for the healthcare providers and not for the general public. You want to move your rubber bands to about a face width apart, and then from there you want to fold your handkerchief in again at the rubber band. And if you guys can see, you can see how it will tuck into each other. The parts will tuck into each other. From there, you'll take the handkerchief, you'll tuck it in like so. And one other thing to also remember, masks like this are not a substitution for social distancing or any of the other safety recommendations laid out by the state, your state, or the federal government. So when you're done, you can see how the mask looks. So you have the smooth side and the tucked in side with your two rubber bands. To put it on, place it over your mouth. Make sure it covers your nose and mouth. And pull it to your ears. Got to get my glasses adjusted here. And then you want to ensure that the fabric covers both your nose and your mouth, like this. That's all there is to it, folks. Real easy, real simple. You didn't even need a sewing machine. I hope this was helpful for you. If so, please leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel. Stay safe, and we'll talk to you soon.